Hello guys, today session 2 for our cybersecurity and ethical hacking lab. So before I need to show you that we have last session talk about many features, tools, techniques used by hackers. Today I will focus in Maltego. Okay, one tool now because there's social media search, there's Google techniques like Google Hacks or Dogging, OSINT, and many things. So every session I will start to do one tools and make it only 10 minutes session maximum. Okay, so from the application in Kali, the last time I installed machine Kali, I go to application here, go to information gathering and go to Maltego. Once I open, it requires from me to make some tools installation. Okay, after that it needs from me to create an account and next until I finish my registration at Maltego. After that it show me some transformation. Okay, actually it showed me this page after I finish. Okay, here a lot of transformation I need to use, and this transformation are very useful transformation because it is automated process that fetch data from specific sources and integrated it into investigation. For example, Maltego can provide numerous built-in transforms and also allow you to create custom ones because Maltego is a powerful tool used for open source intelligence, OSINT, and forensics. Also, it's designed to gather and analyze information about individuals, okay, companies, infrastructure, and visualize the relationship between those type of data of individuals, company, and get a lot of information. It's called data mining. Can pull data from different sources like social media, public records, media information, and for. Also, it can make graphic analysis. It visualizes a relationship between all graphs formatted and make it easy to identify the connection and patterns between all those entities and information. So at the end, Maltego is very useful for cybersecurity, where we can gather a lot of information. Here we found all categories for data. You found here many transforms I can use. Most of them they need to have a license. You need to buy the license, okay? But I install some of them related to I remove all personal identifiers, phishing, ecology, social, and others. Also I install for this one, and I found many of them. How to install? First of all, like this one, okay, you find here details and install. I press install and yes. Some of them require API. I don't have API because I need to buy the license for those applications, transformers. So some of them they are free. Okay, this is also need API, I think, yeah. Other things I already installed look like free. I can show you here. Whatever you found, I think we need to install. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, like this. Okay, we can install like this. Wait, maybe some second. Yes, next and finish. Like this one, we need to view the license. Certification is okay. Then come back again. We already installed. You found uninstall, that means I already installed. Okay, this is we need full contacts. I think it requires API. We cannot now because we need to install only the free things. Already I installed many free things. Okay, now what we'll do? We need to create one project from here. Plus, okay, just open that one. Wait, maybe required some second. Okay, are waiting. Yes, very nice, very good. So from the transformers, I can, for example, there's some entity palette. Okay, I need to find, for example, a person, human. Okay, after we drag and drop, I think again. Okay, here. Now I found for some information about the most influencers and rich people. We found many of them here, just for education purpose, not attacking, because those information they are published publicly. We are not attacked. Only we get general information. If there's email, a telephone number, maybe we can call them to ask them. We can't work at their company. Yeah, maybe, because we are not working right now. So what we'll do, let's take Ion Max. It's very famous and influencer nowadays. Okay, everybody know Ion Mask. We put here his name. Okay, then I can what do? Right click. I run. We have many transformers. You see here, many transformers. Okay, I can run Facebook profiles. Run. For example, I should get information, pull information data from there about him. Will take some time. So I prefer right click, go Google, for example, run, and maybe what we can do, we can just let's see what we can do. He's Twitter's owner right now. So after we run some transformers, we can continue to run the remaining transformers based on the area. Maybe Telegram I need to run. Okay, let's run for maybe profile, many transformers. Okay, switch, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, maybe YouTube, for example. We can add some keyword if you like, up to you. What kind of keywords specific in the YouTube? Okay, we can add to make more specific and refine the information to get. So this is the information we got about Mr. Elon Musk. Okay, we need to verify this information and validate. We can go and let's maximize this one, for example. Okay, minimize this one to get more information. So here the details view, photo, for example. Yeah, we can. This is the link. We can go to the link here. Okay, for more details, open profile, and so far. Let's come back again. More information. I can go to the main photo to get more details from here, because okay, what else? So many details I can get. Let's see. Talk about Alimus, this one. Okay, go inside. He has some post. Okay, we can go to the open the profile web page, the source. Okay, for example, this Maltego is very strong tools. It can make relate between many things. You can even get contact full details, email, phone numbers. Maybe you found some sanctions people, sanctions companies, for data mining, whatever you think it can get. Okay, it can get for spam advisors about any companies or even persons or any kind of business. Just opening now x.com, okay, where we can find up his profile and so far. This is very basic things about Maltego. Okay, now let's talk about domain. Okay, bring here domain. Okay, and maximize. Bring here we can put company name, let's say the same x.com. Can go from here. Yeah, right click and can drag it. Okay, for example, x.com. Okay, here we found some domain. Remember Twitter. Okay, just I need to show you. We can, by the way, bring this one here. Okay, now press out. Okay, press this one. We can make connection to here. Okay, label will be let's say person domain. For example, I link between domain and person. Okay, right click, we can do transform. This is different transform form, by the way, for websites domains. Search about social links. Okay, we can write back here. We have full social links transfer instead to have many transfers. I prefer to run total package because for time consuming. Run. Okay, run. Okay, please accept this disclaimer for IP version 4. Which one is? Let's see. Okay, IP version 4. Where is it? We need to search about it. IP version 4. Accept. Okay. Okay, remember the settings. Okay, run. Now trying to search information about x.com. You see it find Ion Max. Okay, it has subdomains maybe. Yeah, let's go with this here. So we have many things we can search about it. Okay, we can add photos, telephone numbers, and search maybe the telephone numbers is located or connected with email addresses, with many else. So you are gathering information about the target. Okay, like this, hackers or investigators also they can use some tools like Maltego is very strong, but to tell you the truth, you require to have a license to have very important analysis information about the target. Thank you for today lesson about Maltego, and I hope next lesson I can give you some very strong also for Kali tools. I already prepared for you for Recon NG. I will discuss about it, and I will do many examples, and you can find very useful information for gathering information about any targeted. Thank you for today, and please don't forget for subscription and likes. See you for next session. Thank you.